Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to set discount limit of product that which product add on sale order line. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, the product discount limit. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory, go to products, go to anyone like conference chair and see here this discount limit. Here I set 5. Let's save. Now go to sales, go to anyone and add here the same product conference chair and see here this discount. Here I want to add 8. Let's save. So you can easily see here this validation error that you can apply discount 8 more than discount limit 5. Please contact your administrator. So here you not add more than set a discount limit. So I add here 5 and save. So easily edit here product. Thank you.